Hi, sorry I couldn't be there today, but my name is Shravya, and the goal of my project was to evolve quadrupedal and hexapedal locomotion. The question I wanted to answer was, given the same amount of time, does a quadruped or hexapod evolve to travel further? So I split this project into 3 different deliverables. For the first one, I created a quadrupedal robot. I changed the orientation of the legs compared to the assignment that we had worked on all semester. I also changed the shoulder joints to ball and socket joints for ease of movement, and then for the hexapod I added 2 legs. One thing to keep in mind for this project was that distance was measured in terms of the robot's fitness. So basically, a higher fitness meant that the robot traveled a greater distance. So this is the randomly generated hexapedal robot. It had one population and ran for 1 generation. So as you can see, it basically just goes around in a circle. So now the evolved hexapedal robots. There are 2 versions that I wanted to present. The first one, the robot uses all 6 of its legs and had a fitness of around 3. And it's important to know that for the evolved robots, each trial had 20 robots in its population, and they evolved for 400 generations. So the second one used only 4 legs, but it had a higher fitness of around 6. So this is the randomly generated quadrupedal robot. And so again, it has 1 robot in its population and it ran for 1 generation. And for this one, it really didn't move at all. Then the quadrupedal robot that's evolved, it moved using mainly 3 legs, which was interesting because it was the most efficient of all of the trials I ran. So to compare the performance of both robots, I compared their minimum, maximum, and average fitness scores of the 20 trials I had run. The average for the quadruped was 1.95 and 2.56 for the hexapod. So clearly this shows that the hexapod evolved to overall have a higher fitness and therefore travel a greater distance. Some problems that I ran into was the fact that I had to start over in the middle because my virtual machine completely crashed as it updated. The second 2 were due to memory capacity. The virtual machine did not allow me to have large populations or a large amount of generations. If I had more time, I would definitely try to evolve a hexapedal gait using a more complex evolutionary algorithm to accommodate its many legs. Thank you.